Learn how to create a scroll bar in Excel without scrolling the whole sheet. How to do this? Let's take it. To do this, we first of all need to convert our table in. To do this, we first of all need to convert our data into table. Click anywhere inside the data, Control T, say OK. Then you rename the table. In this case, I'm just going to call it table 1. Now to do this, let's go straight to the point. You go to Developer tab, Insert, we insert a scroll bar. Now you right click, Format Control. Let's select the minimum to at least 1. For maximum, we can leave it this way, or we reduce it to the number of data we have. In my own case, I have about 70, so let me just reduce it to 70. The page, let's bring it down to 5. Now the link cell, we want the data to be hooked from here, so the link cell in this case will be A3. But if I just leave it like that, it's going to be moving along, so let me lock it. You can press F4 to do that, or just put in the $sign over here. Okay. Now we enter this formula. Is equal to, we take, we drop, then we bring the table. In my case, it's table 1. Then we now select where we want the data to start from, which is the A3. So I'll say A3. Then we also need to subtract the blank space. So this is 1, 2, 3. So we need to subtract 3 from here, so that we account for the header and the empty space over here. I want it to be within this range, so from here to this side will be like 21. The whole thing will be 24, but if we subtract the 3, it should be left with 21. In my own case, it's just 21. So you can see the data is now loaded. I can use the scroll bar to scroll through down. So that is the simplest way to create a scroll bar without actually scrolling the whole data. If you like videos like this, follow me for more, and I'll see you in the next one.